So for minikite, you have a white plumage from its head, down to its other parts, and the rest of its color are striking chestnut brown. So this kind of bird of prey can be found in the skies of Australia, Sri Lanka, Nepal, and Pakistan. So formerly known as red-backed sea eagle in Australia, but locally known here in the Philippines as Banog in Bisaya and Lawin in Tagalog. But wait, there's more! Here comes the brother of cloud, Sky! Again, they are formerly known as red-backed sea eagle in Australia, but locally known here in the Philippines as Banog in Bisaya and Lawin in Tagalog. So they snatches light prey and steals from fish and also hunting birds. That's why it is called a snatching prey of light. Their lifespan in the wild, they can live up to 15 to 30 years, but in here they can live up to 30 to 40 years. So round of applause to our snatching prey of fights. Our minikite's name, Cloud and Sky. Now from the medium size of raptors, let's proceed to the largest birds of prey we have in Cebu Safari. Now again, I need the cooperation of everyone, so please sit down and do not try to reach out this bird. Because this bird will fly closer to you. So again, just please sit down and enjoy the show. Now ladies and gentlemen, for our grand finale, keep your heads up high to our white-bellied sea eagle named Silver. But wait, there's more. Here comes the partner of Silver, Marina. So white-bellied sea eagle, also known as the white-breasted sea eagle, or king of the sea. We have a white plumage from its head down to its underparts, and its wings and back are dark gray in color. Their favorite foods in the wild are mainly fish, sea snakes, small mammals, and turtles. So these largest birds of prey can be seen in the skies of Australia, Southeast Asia, India, and Sri Lanka. Now this bird can lay about 2 eggs, but only one can survive due to its sibling rivalry. So white-bellied sea eagle, they can grow up to 75 to 85 centimeters in length, with a wingspan of 180 to 220 centimeters. So round of applause to our white-bellied sea eagle named Silver and Marina. Now let me introduce to you my partner here on stage, Mr. James, together with Mr. Romnek. We also have here an Indian peafowls and our scarlet IBs. And to make this more memorable, we have here the symbol of love, peace, prosperity, and harmony. Now my name is Dustin. We hope you enjoy the show. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the walk. So for those who want to take pictures of our photograph birds, kindly form a line here at the center. We have here official photographers debut. And for those who have been to White Lion Safari, Camellia Birds of the World in Africa and Savannah, just go up and turn to your left side to see to Orangutan area. That's the tram stop for key attractions inside. And if you want to watch our White Bengal